This is Haas, owner of the Pars Motor Collision. We have this bad boy Lamborghini Hurricane LP 70. It's a beautiful limited edition car. We did a lot of stuff into it. We did a ceramic coating, we did a PPF over the wrap, we tinted tail light, we did a ceramic coat the rim and calipers, we tinted window. As you see, he got a beautiful privacy on the glass. We ceramic coat all the interior, the seats, cover, everything's been ceramic coated and stop them to get dirty or get any mark on it. If you have an expensive car, if you have a special car, you care about your car, contact us at Pars Motor. Papa here is to help you guys. Go to our YouTube channel, check our video, press ding, subscribe us too as well. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. What you want, shorty, what you need? My niggas run the game, we ain't never leave, never leave. Counting up this money, we ain't never sleep, never sleep. You got V12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got weed, got my I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need. Shorty, what you want, I got what you need.
We're going for a quick spin. You can enjoy the sounds of the crazy exhaust system. This beautiful vehicle, actually it's quite comfortable and quite roomy inside the car. Even me, be a 6'2", quite tall guy, it's kind of comfortable. My head space is good enough, it won't touch my head. Go to our YouTube channel. Actually, what we try to do at Pars Motor, we try to educate you guys with your car for a smaller thing as like changing your fuses, oil change, whatever. Find out the problem with your car. We try to educate you guys by watching those videos. Obviously, it's gonna do good for you. We always here 24/7. If you have any question regarding your car, if you're not sure about something goes wrong with your car, contact us. We can check it. We're not gonna charge you anything. Everything at Pars Motor. Who is here?
What's going on, brother?
Mr. King.
That's the big ones right
How
here.
was your experience?
My experience 100%, brother.
We
If
love
you want
you.
something done to your car, bring it to us.
We love you,
He's
baby.
the big boss.
We love you, baby. He's going back home. Everything is done at Pars Motor, baby. Yeah, baby.